feel like a tattoo. The way you wear that dress, they gonna attack you. Way you look at me, baby, I got you.
What's up, Cherryberry Gang? This your girl Candy4, and I'm back with another video. If you're new to my channel, like, comment, and subscribe. And if you're not, welcome and welcome back. So I had to come to the doctor's office, and I didn't want to bring you guys in there with me because, you know, privacy or whatever. But you already know, get the deal. But yeah, I'm about to go grab me some coffee. So I'm like really out here running errands, and I'm finna go try me a new fall coffee or something. So yeah, how you guys day today? Mine is fine. I'm doing great. And yeah, so like I said, I'm just out here, and it feels really good out here too today in the sun, baby. I'm over here looking cute, but y'all, I gotta get my phone up here. I don't know why is it doing it. Y'all, hold on. Y'all give me 1 second. I'm trying not to get this phone to fall. It looks like it's trying to do this. I'm gonna get back with y'all once I straighten my phone up, because look, this phone doing too much. Okay, I'm back, y'all. I don't know what the hell wrong with my tripod, so that's out. I'm about to get, my tripod is messed up on my car thing, my car shield, window shield, whatever you want to call it. But I'm about to get a new one, like real bad. I'm about to get a new one. So I'm about to pull up to my favorite coffee place. I don't know if y'all have a 7 Brew where y'all live at, but yeah, y'all better check them out. So let me, oh you guys. That just don't fall. No, I haven't ordered yet.
Make it for you.
Can I get the chate latte?
The chai tea latte?
With light ice.
What size did you want to do?
A medium.
Medium?
With,
any flavors?
give me,
These. I don't know if you can see it, but we can put it in your car if you want. These are like our coffee flavors, and then we have like our fruity flavors down here.
I mean the,
Cold foam on top?
yeah. I can't get it out.
Cold foam?
Whipped cream on top, yeah.
So no cold foam?
No, don't give me that.
So I got a medium iced chai tea latte with almond milk, light ice, brown sugar, cinnamon, whipped cream, and cinnamon sprinkles on top?
Yeah.
Okay. Can I get a good phone number?
And you get the whipped cream right with the pumpkin? Yeah. And phone number?
Alright, and you're all ready to move up when you're ready.
Alright. Okay, so I'm just waiting on my drink. I hope it's good because they have all those flavors, and I'm used to getting the regular chai latte drink. And she was like, we got some flavors. I don't want no damn flavors in my damn stuff. I almost couldn't get out what I was supposed to be getting out, what I need to put into my drink. I almost forgot. I'm rolling my window because I have my air on, and then they playing music, and I don't want to get copyrighted. So now we just sitting here waiting on my drink. So that's the next thing, is to wait. Baby, The lace is lacing. Do y'all hear me? The lace is lacing. Where y'all see a lace at? Tell me. Where do you see a lace at? Come on. Come on. You know the lace is lacing. The lace is lacing. Yes. Very much lacing. I got like one person in front of me. Why is it taking so long to get a drink out? I'm not understanding it. It's taking so long for a drink. So, yeah. I'm going to get back with y'all once I get my drink into my truck. So, I got like one person ahead of me. So, I'm going to get back with y'all once I get my drink to the truck. Okay. Okay, I got my drink, y'all. This is the drink. This is the drink. Y'all hear me? I'm about to get into this drink. Let me get my thumbnail and then I'm gonna get back with y'all. So now y'all, I'm heading to, I thought I was gonna go to the house, but I gotta go get something to eat. So I'm gonna go to KFC and get me something to eat because your girl is hungry, starving, low energy. I don't even have the energy. I gotta eat something because your girl head is on 10. Like, for real, 10. Bad headache. Because I haven't ate nothing. I got up this morning. I didn't eat no breakfast. Come to think about it, I didn't eat no breakfast. Now I'm just not eating lunch. So that's why I'm going to KFC to get me some lunch. I think I'm gonna get the 8-piece chicken wings for like, I think it's like $5, maybe $6 or something like that. But yeah, we could have find out. Better find out. I hope they good. My cousin said they good. They always brag on, we go that Monday, Tuesday wings. I'm like, damn, y'all go throughout the whole goddamn week for some damn wings. So I'm finna give me some wings. Yo. Cause I am hungry. All the syrup down at the bottom. I'm gonna have to stir it up. At the 8-piece for $4.99. Hot and spicy wings. I hate the sun is directly. Hopefully y'all can see me, but I'm trying to block every view that I can because the sun is all in my camera view. And I'm sorry about that. I don't want no drink. I'm just gonna get the wings. 8-piece wings. And how much is the fries? Let me see how much is the fries. Ooh, it is hot, y'all. I don't know if my air is blowing, but I have to set my camera up a certain way until I get a new camera mount for my windshield. I really need, because this one is broken. And I hate that my thing broken. I haven't had it like 4 months yet and it's already broken. It shouldn't even be broken. Then I tried working with this go in the back of the phone. It wouldn't work. It wouldn't even stand up on the little mount. It wouldn't even stand up, so I couldn't even worry about it. This line is too long for real.
We have the one for the 8-gram tour, please.
Yes, can I get 2 of your hot and spicy 8? The 8-piece?
Just the wings.
Just the wings only.
Dipping sauce.
Give me 1 buffalo and 1 ranch. And let me ask you this.
Price there, would that be all for you today?
Yes. I'm hungry now.
Come on around, baby. Thank you.
Thank you. Order is secured. So let me get my money out. I'm so hungry. I gotta eat these fries right now for ask for some ketchup. Cause your girl head is hurting. I gotta eat something. Seriously.
1380, how you doing, babe?
I'm doing all right. Oh, thank you. Should have asked for hot fresh fries. I forgot. Cause baby, when you don't ask for nothing hot and fresh, hopefully my wings is hot and fresh. But when you don't ask for fries hot and fresh, excuse me, they tend to put old fries in there, and then they be stale, then they be warm, and then when you hand them back to them and tell them that the fries not right, they are cold, they are soggy, or if they too hard, they get mad at you because you spending your hard money on stuff that you don't want. You don't want your shit to be fucked up.
Sweetie, thank you, baby.
Is the sauces in here?
Yes, it is.
All right, thanks. Let me see my order. They give you 8 too. But I'm gonna eat these fries right now because, baby, I'm hungry. It's a lot of fries. Let me park so I get sick. Oh my God, he almost got here. These fries. My head hurts so bad. Now she put every sauce in the goddamn bag. Honey, mustard. That's crazy. On top. I had to give him some of my fries because I wanted to sit there and eat all them fries. And that was a lot for $2.99. That small was a whole lot. I just need something for my, put on my head. So now, I'm going to get back with y'all. I'm going to get back with y'all when I get back with y'all. Y'all, I'm at Dollar Tree. They got so much stuff. I don't even know what I want. I'm trying to see. Those are cute though. Ooh, I can drop that one, y'all. These are cute too. The little fences. The little fences and stuff. I have a lot of Halloween stuff. And I'm looking for some like some fall stuff to go like in my place or whatever. But they have a lot of decor. A lot of decor. Yeah. Hopefully I can be able to find some to put up or whatever. I don't know. Yeah. These people are watching me, looking at me all weird and stuff like I ain't supposed to be in here. They probably come up to me next and say, "You cannot be recording anything in here in Dollar Tree." They get on my fucking nerves when they do that shit. How you think I'm gonna get my content in, fool? But, yeah. Hey. So I'm still looking around trying to see what I can find. Let me see. I'm over here by the drinks and stuff like that. Let me see where I need to be here. Yeah, so I don't know. Should I make my own reef? I don't know. I think they ain't got everything I need in here. So my next step is to go to Pop Shelf. But they ain't got nothing. This Dollar Tree, I ain't really got nothing. Let me see. I'm gonna get back with y'all once I find something in here, and then I get back with y'all then. Okay, I don't really. These are cute things though. Look at the candy corn, y'all, and the pumpkin. The candy corn is like really cute. I wonder if I had some like hay or something like that, I can be able to put this in the hay and decorate my porch thingy. But technically, I don't see nothing. I don't know, y'all. I don't know. Seems kind of sketchy to me. But too bad, too sad. I couldn't find nothing, so I'm about to ready to get up out of here. What you get?
A butterfly.
Oh, she finally got her little butterfly thing that she wanted.
Yeah, I'm gonna show y'all. Y'all know. Look, give me a minute. Just like that.
Hey. Yeah, but
Yeah.
I guess I'm gonna go and get up out of here. Hopefully when I go to Pop Shelf, I better find something. So I'm gonna get back with y'all. Okay, you guys, I'm about to try the viral pizza that everybody else doing. So I'm gonna try this and see what the hype is all about. But yeah, this is what it looks like. And then I forgot to get the bread too, so I ended up getting this. So I ended up getting this. It's like 3 that come in a pack, so hopefully it goes good. Pretty sure it'd be good. And then I got parsley. I didn't want to lift it up. Then I got red onions too to go on the pizza too as well. And of course I have my cheese. I got 2 done. Popping this in the microwave. Turn it down so I don't want to get copyrighted. So I'm gonna pop this in the microwave real quick, and when I get back with y'all, once it's then defrosted and everything, and me putting the pieces together.
I'ma tell you something straight. When it's little bit too late. Got no numbers, got no shame. Lying to no lotion. Got no time to be at home. When I do, I check my phone. Put my good boys in a row. Like low.
pizza. Actually, I made 3 of them. So I'm about to go to try this one. Let's see what the hype is all about. I'm gonna try it. Baby, 10 out of 10.
Boy, I would never dance in front of you. Is not my. I would never.
10 out of 10, y'all.
No, fuck no.
Y'all gotta go make this. Please go make this. Look how cheesy it is. Mmm.
I would never dance in front of you. I would rather dance with my man.
Mmm.
I'd rather dance with my man. He's the only person I dance in front of. Not nobody else. Not you, no. Yeah. You star miss too, so you come in your ass. You the man on star miss.
This is bussin'.
It is.
Bussin'. Y'all need to try this. The viral Birria pizza. Y'all gonna try it off TikTok. This is 10 out of 10. Woo! Well, that's it for this video. Y'all like, comment, and subscribe. And if you're new to my channel, hit that subscribe button and press that post notification bell so every time I upload, y'all will be notified. Peace.